Control number 42482, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Nicolette Antonio, 24 years old, single, and I have 2 sisters, and I am the eldest in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a college graduate at Central Mindanao Colleges.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go in Hong Kong to sustain the needs of my family in terms of financial.
Have you been to any country before as an FW?
No, but I have an experience here in the Philippines for 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
Give bath, feeding them, I can play with them, and change their clothes.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
For Italian, I can cook spaghetti and carbonara. For Chinese food, I can steam the fish and vegetables.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
Approachable, honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Make apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like their family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom, Sir, if you will choose me as a domestic helper, I will follow all your family rules and I will do my duty. And I will promise that I finish my contract for 2 years and more. Thank you so much.